Modo UI UX form improvements. Render output. Render output properties got revamped, which allow to display only what's really needed. Similar to other forms, better utilization of space and grouping allowed for cleaner UI. Some controls like anti-aliasing got iconized, which allowed to save some space without losing functionality. You can also quickly change the render output type directly in the properties of the render output. For newer version of Modo, the denoising part of render output got neat options to quickly set denoising engines, which are most common: Intel Open Image Denoiser and NVIDIA Optics without opening a list. You can also specify if render output will get suffix added to the name with the noise method chosen by you. The denoising list is still available to show if you prefer to have it. You can quickly set it to show via kit preferences. Image processing can be set by default to off, on, or on all new scenes via shading nerd properties, or you can disable it per render output via button. When exposure control is set to photographic, you can now have easy option to select render camera and use all exposure controls in one place instead of jumping between the two items.